Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Cash App in India. So if you're sitting in India and you want to install and download Cash App on your iPhone, iPad and any other device, then you will have to watch this video completely so that you can download and install Cash App on your iPhone, iPad and other iOS devices. So now let's get started how you can download and install Cash App in India. So first of all, here you will have to open App Store on your iPhone device. Then in search bar you will have to search for Cash App. So here you can see that Cash App is not available in India. Here you can see that Cash App is not available in App Store in the country of or region of India. So how you can download and install Cash App in India? So just simply you'll have to tap on cancel, then you'll have to close this tab. After that, here you will have to again open App Store on your iPhone device. Then here you will have to tap on your Apple ID profile. Then again you will have to tap on your Apple ID. Then here you will have to wait for a few seconds. So here you can see this type of interface. Here you will have to tap on country or region. Just again wait for a few seconds. So you will see this type of interface. Here you will need to tap on change country or region. So here you will have to scroll it below. So here you can see the United States. You will have to just simply select this one. And after that, again you will have to wait for a few seconds. So these are terms and conditions. You will have to read all these terms and conditions. And if you agree with these terms and conditions, you will have to just simply tap on agree. After that, here you will have to again wait for a few seconds. So here you will have to first of all enter your payment method. If you don't want to enter your payment method, then you will have to select here none. After that, here you will have to put your billing address. You can also enter the fake one if you don't want to show your billing address. So here you will have to select the state. Here I'm selecting California. You can select anyone. After that, here you will have to enter the zip code of the selected state. If you don't know the zip code of the state, then you can check from Google. After that, here you will have to enter the mobile phone number. Here you can also enter the fake one if you don't want to show your mobile phone number. Then after putting these things, you will have to just simply tap on next. Then here again you will have to wait for a few seconds. After that, here you will see this type of interface. Then here in search bar you will have to search for Cash App. So you will have to just simply tap on this. Then here you can see that now showing Cash App in India. So after that, you can download and install Cash App in India through this way. So this is the way through which you can download and install Cash App in India. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.